Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy what you see and you stick around. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this rustic or farmhouse framed tray. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. So for this project, you're going to need two 8x10 frames. I chose these that have like the wooden pattern, and if you can see, when you put them together, they do not lay all the way flat. There's like space between them. So also I'm going to be using some of this Dollar Tree rope, some white acrylic paint, and then just some flowers I picked up at the Dollar Tree and just random greenery that I already had in my stockpile. The very first thing that I'm going to do is take out all the backings and then also take out the glass so that I can clean it. Then I'm going to take my acrylic paint and I'm just going to lightly brush it. I'm not going to completely cover the frame because I want to give it like a rustic and a distressed feel to it. I don't know what's up with my camera. Sorry about all the focus and unfocusing, so kind of bear with me while I do this. While I wait for the frames to dry, I'm going to go ahead and clean my glass. Then I'm going to take my flowers and take them off of the stems. I'm also going to be clipping that bottom piece off because it's not going to fit in the frames if I leave it on there. I'm going to go ahead and put my glass back into the frame and just put the tabs back down. You can take some of the tabs out or all of them if you want, but I'm just going to leave them like that. And then again with the focusing and unfocusing, I don't know what the heck's going on with my camera right now, but forgive me for that. Now I'm just going to take my flowers and then these little beads I bought at Joann's. So I'm just going to go ahead and set them on there and put them in a way that I think look nice. And these bulbs are kind of thick because of the flower part in the middle. So I went ahead and took the back part off and then trimmed them a little bit more. I put a generous amount of hot glue and then just glued it down to the glass so that they don't move around. I don't think they would because it's going to be in between the glass, but just in case, I went ahead and did it anyways. Now I'm just going to take two pieces of rope and I'm going to use these as a handle. So I'm going to hot glue them in between or on the edge of the frame, but they're going to be in between both frames, if that makes sense. Because I did glue the pieces of rope in between, there is going to be a gap. So I'm still going to go ahead and take my hot glue and put it around the frame and then set the other frame on top of it and press down on it as best I can. And then in order to cover that gap, I'm going to go ahead and take my rope again and just glue it all around. You don't have to do this part, but I decided to also put rope around the glass. And looking at this frame like this, if you leave one of the handles off, you could always do like a wall art like this. So it doesn't have to be a tray, you could always hang it on the wall. Alright, so here is the final result. I really love how it looks, especially the contrast between the white and then the orange flowers. Perfect for fall even. And then you can change up the decor however you want. You can put your coffee on it, whatever. I went ahead and put my candles. I'm also really excited because I will be making a glam version of this tray, so stay tuned for that, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up. It'll really help me out so that I can continue doing this for you guys. Also, leave any comments down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!